Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, last month, I honestly, well this is what I started before I did the digital version. So I pretty much just did the same on the digital and the bullet journal version, but I actually didn't even fill out, sorry, I actually didn't really even fill out my bullet journal like physically, even though I said I was going to. I never did, and I'm not always on my iPad, so that's not good either. Maybe if it was on my phone I would fill it out. I don't know. I don't know how that would work. That would be pretty cool. So I'm not even going to show you that because I think I wrote in like one day. I didn't even fill out my tracker for anything. Also, I apologize for the lighting. I'm trying to use natural light because when I put my light on, this thing comes up and there's shadows and it drives me nuts. So I'm going to try to do some natural lighting today. It makes me look tan because I'm as white as this paper. So, this was what I had. Same setup, pretty much, from my digital bullet journal. Maybe I'll try digital bullet journaling, like, down the road, but this didn't work for me, for May. So, as you can see, I filled nothing out. Just, like, absolutely nothing. And I mean, I did like this past week because my room was a mess. I don't know, I had payments and blah blah blah. The next page has like personal information on. So I'm just going to, this is going to be for this week, and I'm filming this like a week early. No, like a weekend early. I still have the week ahead. But this month, is going to be citrus. More importantly, lemons. And I saw this. Actually, maybe I do need the light. There we go. This drives me nuts though. So, I'm gonna do that. Maybe? Yeah. How's that work? That looks great. Okay. So, I'm gonna be doing citrus this month. I saw this almost exact design on Pinterest, so of course it will be linked below. I did not grade this on my own. And some of the other designs in here, I got inspiration from Pinterest, especially this one. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, I'm going to get started. Don't forget to wait till the end because I have a giveaway for all you wonderful subscribers that like my channel and subscribed. Come on. So, I actually moved and I changed positions for the first time. Let me know if you guys like this angle or something. When you realize you made the perfect amount of lemons to have an even distribution of color, I didn't even plan that. Also, another side note, the sun is killing me and I feel like I need sunglasses just to draw right now. I'm sorry, but you're adorable. Also, I totally just put sunglasses on because my eyes are killing me. I'm hilarious. Okay, back to work. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm going to talk about a giveaway. I finally hit 500 subscribers. I know I'm over now, but since I hit 500 I want to do a little giveaway,
and all of the details are listed down below, so you have to read that before entering, especially like just the rules part. So to enter the giveaway, you first need to read all the rules and policies and everything, and the first thing that you will say in the comments is that you agree to the rules that I put in the description box, the official rules. Second, you guys have to subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. And then I want you guys to let me know which prize you want to win, which I will get to in a minute. And then lastly, let me know what kind of videos you want to see. If you want to see more bullet journal videos, like a week in my bullet journal, or painting videos, or more crochet, more knitting videos, let me know. So the prizes, you can either win a bullet journal like I have. It's the Leuchtturm 1917 medium dotted notebook that you see in all of my videos. Last year I had anthracite, and this year I have just the black version. And then the other prize that you could possibly win would be a 10-piece set of a Tombow dual brush marker set. I said that twice. So I also have all of the colors and marker options listed below, like separate from the rules, just so you guys can take a look and let me know like what color you want or something. So the giveaway is going to start at 10 a.m. on, what's the date? May 27th. So at 10 a.m. on May 27th, 2018, and the giveaway will end on June 10th at 11:59 p.m. year 2018. It's also one entry per person, just so it's a little easier. There's a lot of legal things involved, so the winner will be chosen within 3 days of the close of the giveaway. So the winner will be notified within 2 days of me picking the winner, and then they will have 4 days to respond, and after the 4 days I will pick another winner, and it'll kind of be the same process. And you have to be at least 13 years of age at the time of entry as well. That's another big thing. And if you need to ask your parents for permission, please do so. I don't want you to win and then your parents be like, who's this crazy person sending something to my house? Okay, so I think that's all of the information that I wanted to tell you guys on camera. Again, just read through everything below. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. So again, you just let me know that you agree to the policy and like the rules. Subscribe, like the video, let me know which prize you want to win. There will be one winner, so you will either win a Leuchtturm journal or the Tombow set. And then let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me that this many people actually want to watch my videos and subscribe. And even if you're not going to enter the giveaway, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. I will see you guys next time for a new video, probably crochet, if I finish it in time. And I will see you guys next time.